drops don't stop the flow till the new shade starts to show. Endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. Chemistry in perfect order. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. Drop by drop in tiny measure, find that perfect lab-born treasure. Titrate stands to make things right in the chemical spotlight. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. Drop by drop in tiny measure, find that perfect lab-born treasure. Titrate stands to make things right in the chemical spotlight.